Maja Blanca. This is a Filipino well-known dessert. I believe it's Spanish origins, hence the name Maja Blanca. It's really, really good. It's a good dessert. It's a gelatin-like kind of cake. Here's my slice. Cut it up in two. Look at that. It's so, so good. You guys gotta try this. It's absolutely wonderful. Now let's start. Here we got a liter of 1 kilogram of cornstarch, a can of whole kernel corn, a small can of condensed milk, and 1 pack of cocomama, which is about 2 glasses of coconut milk, or equivalent to 1 coconut. Here, half of the kernel corn, we blended it with a spoon of sugar just to make it sweet and all the texture is good. Now we open it up. Yes, we start here. Okay, we put the cocomama. It's about 2 cups of coconut milk. Yes, and a bit of water. This is about half a cup of water. All right. Now my maid said, I think Vicky said she'll put half a kilo of cornstarch and mix it to make sure there's no lumps. You can put all of them, the whole kilogram of cornstarch, but then you'll have a hard time dissolving it all together finely. So this is what she does, half and half. This way it gets easier to dissolve it all without any clumps, as you can see here. Once it's all fully dissolved, then she'll put the next half. But for now, the 1 cup of condensed milk, there's 1 can, but it's equivalent to 1 cup. And you can add more if you want it sweeter, but I think this is just the perfect measure like this. So 2 cups of coconut milk and 1 cup of condensed milk is just perfect. Of course, it has 1 liter or 1 kilo of cornstarch eventually. Now we just have half of it. Now it's almost fully dissolved, but you still see a bit of clumps. So you gotta keep mixing it, make sure all the clumps are gone. Another half a cup of water. All right. And you need a favor, guys. Hit the like button. The more likes the video gets, the more activity it shows the algorithm. It gets spread out to wider audience, so the more likes helps, right? Thank you, guys. And of course, subscribe if you haven't, so you can get to check all the other good stuff here, right? Now it's mixed. Now we put the corn, the blended corn, of course. Yep, keep mixing it. Yep. It's gonna be so, so good. Now we put the second half of the cornstarch, so it's about another half a kilo, because it's all getting dissolved. So she'll mix it some more so that all of them is fully dissolved and no more clumps. Yep. So we keep going, and it's almost ready now. Yep, it's almost fully dissolved. So now here she turns on the heat, so it's just medium heat, and she says, Ativiki says, you gotta keep mixing it so you don't get to form any clumps or solid particles at the bottom of the pan. So you gotta keep mixing it like this. And she said it's gonna take about less than 10 minutes. And I was looking at it, and by the look of it, it's gonna take more than 10 minutes. But let us see. She said it's gonna take less than 10 minutes. It's gonna solidify because of the cornstarch, and that's gonna be good. It's gonna be like a gelatin-like shape or texture. Yep. And to my surprise, seven minutes later, it's like this. It's getting solid now. Yep. And she says, Ativiki says, you gotta constantly mix it to make sure everything is smooth. And of course, the more you mix it gently like this, consistently, it's gonna be even more smooth. Yep. It is about 7 to 8 minutes, so it's not even 10 minutes. It's already like this, so it's really, really good. I'm surprised it was that quick. Yeah, I'm gonna help her here. I'm gonna hold the wok so it doesn't turn or move around, because the texture of the Maja Blanca is now a little heavier, which is really good. This is how it's supposed to be. And of course, always on medium heat, because if you get too hot, it's gonna start burning it or making clumps at the bottom. It's all done, she says. So it's roughly 10 minutes. That's it. Oh, look at those texture. Oh, wait, let me unclip the phone. Let me show you guys. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the corn. Oh, I can have all of this. Yep. Now here we got the Pyrex going here. Now we're gonna put it slowly on the tray, on the Pyrex tray. Yep, so we let it cool down like this. You can let it cool down for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. Room temperature will be fine. Now she went and grabbed our frozen mozzarella cheese. We put it in the freezers just to keep it good. We're gonna grate mozzarella cheese here. That's why it sounded like that. It's actually frozen, but it's gonna be also good because the Maja Blanca is still warm. Yep. There you go. Now she went and grabbed the other cheese, the regular cheese, the Eden cheese. We're gonna grate it some more, so we'll have two different kind of cheese toppings. It's gonna be so good. Okay, here's Eden cheese. I'm gonna grate it there. Ooh, look at that. Looks good, right? It's still warm, so you can leave it at a room temperature for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. But I want this now or soon. Sorry. So we're gonna cover it with Saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes. It's not gonna get frozen. It's just 30 minutes in the refrigerator, and now it's here. Oh, would you look at that? So good. Having Auntie Vicky cut me a slice. Oh yes, that'll be mine. All right, and cut it in there. So you're gonna slice it all so it's all prepared in one straight line in the middle. So it has rectangular slices. It's gonna be so good. Yep. There you go. Yes. Let me get mine here. She's gonna get mine on my plate. Ooh yeah, look at that. And it's gelatin-like texture. It's just so good. Woo, look at that. Yep. Now this is all mine. So good. Yes sir, yes sir. And of course, you can click here for the other desserts. Oh, but this is so amazing. You guys gotta try this. It's so easy. It just took 10 minutes. Aside from the preparation and stuff, it just took 10 minutes. And you got yourself a Maja Blanca wonderful dessert. Thanks for watching and subscribe so you can check out all the other good stuff here. Alright, see ya.